Quadriceps are a four-headed muscle, which is located in front of the thigh. It originates at the pelvis and attaches below the knee. The main function of the quadriceps are to straighten the leg.
The quadriceps femoris, four muscles on the anterior thigh, extend the leg. The sartorius, which passes obliquely across the anterior thigh, extends and flexes the thigh.
The basic one-joint isolation movement for the quadricep involves the straightening of the lower leg, with the knee joint as the primary point of rotation. The leg straightens and extends without any involvement of the hip joint, glutes, or the hamstrings. The basic two-joint movement for quadriceps is the press. It involves both the knee joint area and the hip area as well. Leg exercises include leg press and various types of squats. Actually, the leg press exercise involves a lot of different muscles, affecting it to a different degree depending on where you are in your range of movement. In the upper part of the range of motion, down to the point where the knee is bent at about a 90-degree angle, the primary stress is on the quadricep. As you go lower than this, the knee bends even more. The stress shifts back to the hamstrings at the back of the leg. At the lowest position, the glutes end up doing most of the work.
Some bodybuilders have achieved the proportions which allow them to do heavy leg press and squat movements through a very long range of motion without damage to the knee. But for most of you, heavy quadriceps training should be done through a more limited range of motion. Go down only to the point where the knee is at a 90-degree angle. At this point, the thighs are parallel to the floor. The back of the leg can then be worked with different exercises like hack squats. Hack squats use the lower range of motion with much lighter weights to protect the knee.